This is Railman 300. Today we're going to be filming the tornado siren test. As you see that there's flurries outside a little bit. It's already like 11:58. It'll go off soon. You just gotta have patience. Just wait a while. A lot of snow all over the place. It's about to go off any minute. Sorry guys about that. It was my finger. It goes off soon. Just gotta wait a while. It's 11:58. Now 11:59. It's about to go off. Here we go. Here we go with the tornado sirens. You guys can now see the tornado sirens. There we go, guys. It's 11:59. I don't understand why we're testing at 11:59 a.m. It's about to be noon. They're about to go off again. Just gotta wait a second in a few minutes. A lot of snow. It's about to go off any second. Any minute now. Here we go. There you guys can see. There you guys can see the tornado sirens. There we go. They're going off all over the place. You're one from far away, huh? Some are coming from Westerville. Some are coming from Columbus. Okay, guys, that's it. Stay tuned for more Railman 300. Bye.